Right, the ingredients for the coleslaw.
We have here white cabbage.
White cabbage.
Carrot.
Carrots.
Salt.
These are, would you call this julienne? Is this julienne?
Julienne, yes.
Very thinly sliced.
You can cut julienne. You can cut short, very small.
Very small.
Some people like this, and
Okay.
yes. Salt.
Some salt.
Yes, and
Sugar powder.
sugar powder.
Powdered sugar.
Powdered
Yeah,
sugar.
okay.
Some people like onions. Some people don't like.
Yeah, I love. And red
Yes.
onions, sometimes they're nice and sweet
Yes.
taste, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
And mayonnaise,
course,
lemon
mayo.
juice,
Fresh lemon juice. None of this stuff from the bottle. Squeeze it yourself.
and vinegar,
Vinegar.
a little bit.
This is just normal white vinegar.
Yes, white
Normal
vinegar.
white vinegar.
Yes, yes.
Okay, very simple ingredients to something that we all eat all the time. So what do we put first?
Okay. The mayonnaise.
Remember I talked in another show, guys, that if you wanted something a bit more diet, then use less mayonnaise or find the mayonnaise that's diet. It's all available for you. A bit of the milk. Remember we told you on another show, the milk to thin it a bit, yes?
Yes.
To thin the mayonnaise, because mayonnaise is thick. Love lemon juice. Cabbage,
Cabbage.
okay. Some nice carrots. And as the chef said before, the onion, it depends, right?
Yes.
Me, every night I'm sitting down, chef, bring me a side of onions. And then the crew steals it all.
You like onion?
Zahlou steals it, Said steals it, everyone steals my food.
And powder sugar.
Okay.
You can use normal sugar, but powder is become not crushed when you eat.
That's
yes.
very clever.
Yes.
Yeah. Because sometimes, it's like sometimes when you have, I put sugar sometimes in my yogurt.
Yes.
But when you eat it, it's
Yes.
so powdered, very clever.
Yes.
Yeah, I didn't think
If you
of that.
make the sauce first, you can use normal sugar because you make the sauce and he will be.
Then it dissolves.
Yes.
It dissolves. I never thought of that. Good point, chef. We're out here near the Gulf of Aqaba, or right beside the Gulf of Aqaba here in Taba. And this morning it was a bit windy and icy today. The wind went. It's stunning, right?
Yes.
And this is a favorite of people's with chicken, with pretty much anything, isn't it?
Yes. Was fried chicken was very nice, and all the people like.
Yes, I've eaten this every country I've lived in. Maybe not Italy, but every other country. Coleslaw.
Children and adults, every people.
Well, look what we got here. Beside the mayonnaise that we said, it's can't get any more healthy than that.
Yes.
Are we going to bring Muhammad in? Should we get the trumpet?
Come, Muhammad.
Okay, let Muhammad stand in the... Muhammad, come in the middle here. Okay, oh la la. Okay, show it to the camera, Muhammad. Here's the man. This is two.
Yes.
Huh? The garnish it's put on is green pepper sliced and stuffed inside. And it looks like a butterfly.
Yes.
Can you see the butterfly, guys? Very beautiful. Shall I eat it? Okay. Chef, thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you, Chef, for being with us.
Thank you.
This was Bella Cuisine. And remember, the email that I will give you later on in the show, you can always find out exactly what the ingredients were, or I can send you an email with it back to the show. Say bye-bye, guys.
Okay. Bye-bye, Bella Egypt.
Where's your family? Where's your family? Cairo?
In Cairo, yes.
Say hello to your family.
Hello.
Hello. You have a wife and children?
Yes.
Okay, say hello to your wife.
Hello.
Well, say her name. No. You don't want to say her name? No name. Okay. Coleslaw, it's that simple, huh? And healthy. Everybody likes, especially with a bit of fried chicken and coleslaw. All right, guys, a bit of trivia before we head out and talk to some of the locals here or some of the customers about their holiday, their stay, their work here in Egypt. This is the question. What is the currency of Egypt? I can't ask this to the crew because it's too easy. Is it the Egyptian franc? Is it the Egyptian dinar? Is it the Egyptian pound? Or is it the Egyptian dollar? No, you can't. Stop bouncing her. Or someone's very excited. This is the first time in 3 weeks he knew the answer. So it's like, no, you can't. Anyway, we'll tell you at the end of the show. By the way, I know some of these are simple. We'll get more complicated as the weeks go on. Then I'll challenge the boys back there and they can all answer. For now, let's head out and find out what people are saying about Egypt.
Welcome to Egypt. There is no security issue. We really enjoyed the holidays and it was great.
Sharm el-Sheikh is really a quiet place and people here are very kind and they give other people feelings, I mean residents, they give all tourists feeling that everything is good and please enjoy your vacation here.
I would say you definitely have to come to Egypt because it's a beautiful place, very nice people, very welcoming, and it's a place to go because it's a short distance, sun any time of the year, perfect.
You are watching Bella Egypt on Nile TV International. Thank you for tuning in to us. It's always wonderful to have you with us on the show. The road to Dahab, our out and about section. Now the road from Taba to Dahab is about 120, 140 kilometers. Mountains on the right, most of the time sea on the left. Sometimes you do go through the mountains though. You pass Nuweiba on the way, beautiful green lush surroundings that has the port there that carries a lot of goods across, a lot of goods and people across from Aqaba over here. And we had to get all the way to Dahab. Why? We wanted to see our windsurfer Ibrahim. We wanted to go to the local market. There was a lot of locals who have been living in Egypt a long time we wanted to interview. So our show was really there, but we had to get there. So it's not like we have, a helicopter that comes down for me. So we just wanted to show you what we do as a group to put together one episode of Bella Egypt for you. Come join us. On our continuing journey, just to prove to you that I wasn't actually just playing by the tricks of the camera, over there, can you see the sign? It's about 60 kilometers till we get to Dahab. We passed Nuweiba and we're actually going to